A mother duck and her ducklings lived by a small pond. Once, the mother duck went to a lake with her ducklings. The ducklings were very happy to see so much water. Suddenly, the mother duck saw a fox. So she shouted, "Children, see the fox is coming. Hurry to the lake." The ducklings rushed towards the lake. The mother duck began to walk back and acted as if her wing was broken. When the fox saw the mother duck, he thought that the duck was hurt and couldn't fly. So he ran to eat her. The mother duck started to run and the fox followed her. By that time, the ducklings had reached the lake. The fox wasn't able to harm the ducklings anymore. Then the mother duck opened her wings and quickly rose up in the air. She landed in the middle of the lake. All the ducklings swam to her. The fox looked at the mother duck and her ducklings greedily, but he could not reach them. The ducklings realized how their mother had saved them by putting her own life in danger. They hugged their mother with love. They thanked Allah for this blessing.
मज़ीद दिलचस्प और सबक आमोज़ कहानियों के लिए हमें फॉलो करें और हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।